Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Sherry 4x4. I'm reviewing a 2019 Colorado. This isn't your ordinary Colorado. This is the ZR2, the off-road Colorado. Just getting back from my test drive. We're showing 44,387 miles on the odometer right now. This is one owner. I pulled the history report on it, clean history report, which I'll show you here in a bit. But I'm gonna flip around and let's review this truck. So it's got the integrated radio backup monitor built in place. You can see as I park pretty bad, but that's your radio. As you put it in reverse, it's going to pop up. We've got Sirius XM. We've got connectivity for our phone on here. You can control your heated seats, things of that sort, all from this touchscreen radio. Down here, if you're more of a knob person, don't worry. It's still got some knobs. Heating and air conditioning controls down below here. It does have the auto feature on the heat and the air conditioning, which you can just set it to a temperature, hit auto, and it's just going to do its thing. So down here, we're going to get into some of the off-road stuff. It has traction control. You can lock both the rear and the front differential. You can do them independently of one another. Also has downhill grade assistance, and it's got some lights on the roll bar back here, which I'll show you and turn them on right here. This is all factory too. This isn't some converter that's done this. Heated seats here. And then down here we've got a couple USB outlets and also an auxiliary port. 2 beverage holders. It's got enough spot there for your phone in between, but I like to keep my phone right here on the wireless charger. Wirelessly charge your new phone. Shifter in the center here. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Has controls here for your hands-free connectivity to your phone, and also controls to control the center display there. Cruise control over here, and then does have a heated steering wheel. Over here it comes factory with the trailer brake controller. I believe this vehicle is rated at 5,000 total trailer weight, and then your 4-wheel drive control right here, headlight control right here, and it's got auto headlights. Power everything, power windows, locks, mirrors, all work very good as well. So let's take a look outside. This truck impresses me. It's an off-road ready truck from the factory. It's got just under a 2-inch lift on it from the factory and just looks killer. It's got factory skid plates underneath it, factory rock sliders. It's the Midnight package, which gives you the black inserts on the grill, the black painted bumper. Really looks slick. You know, I do a decent amount of lifted truck videos, and so many of them are full-size trucks. This is a mid-size truck, and if you ever do any trailing, you know a big truck is just hard to fit on those trails. This is a mid-size truck. It's going to fit on those trails really nice. These tires are not original. They have a 2020 date stamp on them, and they've got a lot of tread. I'd say they're almost brand new tires. Check out the rock sliders here. Those aren't step bars. Trucks like this don't have step bars. That's a rock slider, so if you're out and you would happen to slide, it's going to protect the truck there from getting any damage to it. 4-door pickup, so you can bring your friends along. And also this drives down the road really nice, really comfortable drive down the road. See here, leather wrapped seats. I don't think back here has ever really been used. Has the nice rubber mats back here, a couple spots for USB to charge devices. Got the ZR2 roll bar here. There's those auxiliary lights I showed you the switch for earlier. Nice black wheels, fuel fill on this side. All 4 shocks are upgraded here to the Chevy Performance shocks, DSSV. They've got the auxiliary oil tank there is what you see on them. So nice upgraded shock. ZR2 badging here. This is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 engine, plenty of power in it. Factory 7-pin and 4-pin. That 7-pin is going to work well with that trailer brake controller for your electronic trailer brake controller. Dampening tailgate, factory bed liner in this. Again, the bed looks really good. Overall, this whole truck just looks really pristine. Coming to the passenger side, love how the bed fenders out for the bigger wheels and tires. You can see that happens on the front as well. Just a hard to find, really slick, really good condition inside and out pre-owned Colorado ZR2. This is a sweet truck. So if you're interested in this, I don't think there's any disappointments on this one. This is very well taken care of. A lot of times on pre-owned truck rated trucks, I mean, some of them have been rode on the trails pretty hard. This one, if it hasn't been hard, but it's ready to hit the trails by all means. So I hope you found this review helpful. I can see myself driving this truck every day. It's cool. I like the size of it. I like the versatility of it. And if you can see yourself riding this truck, give us a call. We could help you out with any questions you may have. Financing's available. We'd love to upgrade you. If you have a trade-in, we'll give you top money for it. So thanks for watching, everyone. I did mention the history report. Let me pop that up because it just came to mind, but it scores really well. The score is actually top of its class, 95. One owner, no damage, no wrecks or anything like that. So nice clean history report there. So with that, my name's Mike. I'm signing out. Take care, everyone.